Hello and welcome to the EASYHEAT Li Quick Start Guide video. First, let's take a look at the packaging. The first box that we see here, which is to the right, contains the EASYHEAT Li power supply, along with the manual, which is sitting on the top. And the box to the left contains the EASYHEAT Li workhead. So these are the two boxes that you should expect to receive upon ordering your EASYHEAT Li. Now let's take a closer look at the contents that were in the two packages. You can see that the workhead is on the right, then the power supply is next to it on the left, the manual is on top of the power supply, and to the left you can see the test coil, which is all wrapped up and packaged. You will need to determine the voltage needs of your EASYHEAT Li. The input voltage requirements for your equipment are clearly detailed on the configuration label located on either the side or the rear of the unit. This EASYHEAT Li requires a three-phase AC main supply for 400 or 480 volts. This particular EASYHEAT Li has a voltage range of 440 to 520 volts AC. This information is found on the rear of the unit. For cooling purposes, you will need a water source, whether it be a heat exchanger, chiller, or your own water source. Please note that the water source used with this EASYHEAT Li must supply approximately 1.5 gallons or 5.7 liters per minute and have a minimum water pressure differential of 45 psi, ideally between 45 and 80 psi. To prevent equipment failure caused by condensation, the water temperature must be maintained at or above the dew point temperature, but below 95 Fahrenheit or 35 Celsius. During setup, you will need the following tools: a flathead screwdriver, pliers, a Phillips head screwdriver, a 14mm socket to tighten RF cables, and the provided Allen wrench to attach the heating coil. Now we're going to connect the heat station to the EASYHEAT Li power supply. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the RF cover on the back of the EASYHEAT Li unit. Now you need to loosen the 9/16 nuts on the terminal posts. Now we need to loosen the RF out connector by turning counterclockwise. Now we can feed the RF cables through the RF out strain relief and connect the X and Y posts to the rear. The next step is to tighten the RF out connector with a wrench by turning clockwise. Now we're going to tighten the 9/16 nuts on the terminal posts. The final step for this portion is to replace the RF cover and secure the two Phillips head screws. Now we need to attach the water connections. Locate the three colored tubes coming from the heat station. Now we're going to connect the blue colored tube to the corresponding blue inlet, the red tube to the red inlet, and the clear tube to the clear inlet. Make sure the tubes are connected firmly to the connectors. You can check this by pulling gently on the tubes once they are connected. Now we'll zoom in so you get a better look at the connections in the back of the EASYHEAT LI. Now, we need to connect your water source to your EASYHEAT LI. First, you need to determine your water source. It may be a heat exchanger, chiller, facility water supply, etc. Now, we need to connect the inlet of the EASYHEAT LI to the supply of your water source by firmly inserting tubing from your supply port into the inlet on your EASYHEAT LI. Now, we need to connect the outlet of the EASYHEAT LI to the return of your water source by firmly inserting tubing into the outlet port. Now, we need to connect the test coil to your EASYHEAT LI. First, insert an O-ring into each recessed slot in the face of the heat station. Now, secure the coil with the 4 screws provided and tighten. Now, use the wrench to tighten the brass water fittings. It is critical to ensure that the fittings are tightened to prevent water leaks. Finally, we need to connect the power to your EASYHEAT LI. First, locate the power cord on your EASYHEAT LI unit. In this photo, you can see the power cord sitting on top of the EASYHEAT LI. Now, you need to determine your connection. It'll either be a plug connection, as you see pictured here, or a fuse connection, as you see pictured here. If you're using a plug connection, determine the proper plug for use with your AC power source. Then you need to attach the unterminated end of the EASYHEAT LI power cord to your plug. If you are using a fuse connection, we recommend a fuse disconnect switch. Now first, determine the proper voltage and three-phase fuse disconnect switch rating for use in your facility. Then, attach the end of the EASYHEAT LI power cord to your fuse disconnect switch. Now, let's turn on your EASYHEAT LI. First, turn the power on using the circuit breaker on the back of your EASYHEAT LI. As you can see, the display panel will illuminate once your unit has been successfully powered on. It'll just take a moment to boot here. Now the first time you turn on your EASYHEAT LI, the factory display settings will appear. However, if your EASYHEAT has been previously used, the last set, current level, and user settings will display. So what we're going to show right here is us altering the settings and rebooting the machine, and you'll see that the settings remain the same after the reboot. Alright, the machine's booted up and the settings are the same. That concludes the EASYHEAT LI Quick Start Guide video. We hope you've enjoyed this training video, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching.